The girls on Instagram, lips kind of party. Before we get into this video, let's talk about all this color on my eyes, in my hair, and it's not even summer yet, sis, and I'm giving you summer vibes. I mean, look at this. You can call me honey bun. And I actually got my Colourpop package today with the new Luxe lip glosses, and I knew I had to do a video today. I'm actually just opening the envelope, so this will be a first impression for sure because I haven't used anything yet. So I'm just opening up the envelope that it came in, and just so you guys know what it's packaged like, here it is. Just a white envelope. They should really step this part up though. I mean, it can come in like a cute little box or something. But, you know, I guess that's not the point. So let's get into what's in the package. So, of course, my order came in here. And I got 5 of, I believe it's 8 lip glosses. And the colors that I got was Tied Up, Slow Motion, Blissful, Dream Queen, and Come Through. So we're going to get into the other shades that I didn't get were the more paler type shades. So I figured I don't really need any pale lip glosses. So I left those out and just got these 5. And let's see what we have here in the package. Oh, I got something for free. I think, yeah, I didn't order this, so it should be for free. This is it's a loose pigment. I've never tried their loose pigments. I actually never buy loose pigments, to be honest with you, but since this one was for free, but it came in this little envelope here. I'm just opening that up. So this is Love Me Harder, and it's spelled harder, H-E-A-R-T-E-R, which is real cute. So this is the little cute box it comes in. So let me go ahead and open this up and see what it's about. So in the package that the loose pigment came in, I noticed that it says, sorry we're late. So my package did come a little later than I thought, but I mean, I wasn't pressed. I wasn't pressed about it, but listen, Colourpop is classy. They sent gifts for my weight. So this is the pigment here. It's a really pretty color. Super pretty. I think I'm going to use this as a highlight. Oh, to be honest, the top just fell off. Let me see if you guys can see inside how it looks. That is pretty, and it was for free. I mean, you can keep being late, Colourpop, if you don't keep sending me free stuff. I like that. I like free stuff. Okay, so here are the 5 lip glosses, and I just want you to see how the package is. Just a second. So here is the package. It's a really cute, simple, sleek package, which I love. And it just says Luxe here on the front, Luxe Gloss, and it's in like a rose gold type lettering in a white box. And let's see how the actual lip gloss comes. So I'm just going to show you this package, and then I'm going to go on to swatching these just on my lips. Okay, so we don't need to swatch them on our hands or anything. I'll just go right to the lip, girl, straight to the business. So this is how it's packaged. Hold on. Let me see what color this is. This is actually Slow Motion. So this is how Slow Motion looks in the package. I really like it. It's really cute. And let's look at how the wand comes. Oh, it's a pretty big wand. Let me let you see that. Oh, this looks like it's going to be my favorite color. All right. And let me see if there's a scent. Oh, it has a, it kind of smells like some sort of cake from Entenmann's. Sponge. Maybe pound. I know my cakes. I know my cakes. So let's get into the swatches, girl. Okay guys, so we're all done trying on the glosses and onto my review. I absolutely love these glosses and I love the way they feel. I would give it, out of 5 stars, I'd give it a 4.5. And the only reason that 0.5 is missing is, if you notice in the video, I tried to show you how it was kind of gathering and getting a little sticky in this area of my mouth. But I mean, with a little napkin, literally, in the video I did this with my hand, but a little more sanitary option is to like grab a napkin and kind of go like this, just so you can pull that excess lip gloss from your inner lip and your fix. The glosses are A1. They retail per gloss, it's $8 for each gloss, or you can buy the entire package of 8 for $64, I believe. I bought mine during their lip sale, which was 30% off, so I'm winning. I also got a free pigment in my package, so I'm still winning. These glosses are very, if you have dry lips, you're gonna love this gloss because it's super moisturizing. It kind of feels like a deep penetrating mask. You know, like when you moisturize your skin with really heavy body butter or something like that. That's how my lip feels after putting on these glosses. So I absolutely love them. I would recommend them. I would buy them again. I love these glosses, and the name is super appropriate. Luxe Gloss. Perfect name, because I feel real lush. I feel so lush with these glosses. I just want to sit, pose like the girls on Instagram, lips kind of parted, because I feel so sexy. I'm sure that's what they're going for. They want you to feel like you popping, girl. Look like you popping. Let the people know you're popping. So again, Colourpop, 2 thumbs up and 2 toes up. Love these glosses. And guys, you know, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, then like the video. If you have any questions, comments, anything, leave them in the comment section of the video. And don't forget to subscribe, because I would appreciate that. Tell your cousin, your bestie, that girl you don't like at the job. Tell her. She needs to see this. All right, thank you so much for watching. Bye.